Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make team builder logos. First, define your team's core identity and values. This foundation is crucial for a meaningful design. Next, select a design style that truly embodies your team's spirit, whether it's modern, classic, or abstract. Finally, choose a color palette that not only looks appealing, but also evokes the right emotions and ensures your logo is memorable and impactful. When designing, always prioritize simplicity. A clean logo is far more memorable and effective. Your logo must also be scalable, meaning it looks sharp whether it's tiny on a pen or large on a banner, maintaining its integrity. Consider using design software like Canva for beginners or Adobe Illustrator for advanced options, which offer hundreds of templates and tools to help you create a professional look. Now, let's incorporate key elements. Integrate symbols or mascots that genuinely represent your team's unique character and goals. Next, select fonts that are not only clear and legible, but also harmonize with your chosen design style, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Finally, experiment with various layouts and arrangements. Sometimes a slight shift can make a significant difference, creating a more dynamic and balanced composition. To finalize your logo, gather constructive feedback from at least 3 to 5 team members. Their insights can offer fresh perspectives for refinement. Once perfected, save your logo in versatile file formats such as PNG for web use, JPEG for general images, and SVG for scalability, ensuring it's ready for any application. Lastly, apply your new logo consistently across all team materials, from jerseys to social media, to build strong brand recognition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.